Introducing AeroLush, the ultimate solution in grow tent climate control. When temperatures soar beyond limits, AeroLush's high-performance compressor can still deliver 8,000 BTU cooling capacity, and it maintains an optimal temperature for your plants. With its precision sensor, AeroLush monitors humidity, temperature, and VPD in real time. And it's a 4-in-1 climate solution. AeroLush saves your valuable growing space, and it's a self-evaporation system that saves your time from manual drainage. Built-in handles and caster wheels ensure effortless mobility. And it's also easy to set up. Control your climate anytime, anywhere. Monitor and adjust settings remotely. AeroLush's auto restart function kicks back in automatically, keeping your grow running. Ensure the ideal climate for your plants, no matter the season. It's also compatible with Vivosun SGS. It's not just an air conditioner, it's your partner for perfect plant growing. AeroLush, take your indoor growing to the next level.